Are you getting annoyed by the Vgrl library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. To kick off the Vgrl library guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Vgrl library, a specialized library associated with localized virtual desktop or remote access tools. It manages the hardware-accelerated video compression for the remote session. If missing, the remote desktop client will fail to initialize its graphics pipeline, reporting module failed to load or a black screen. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. If you see a libey library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the OpenSSL subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Vgrl library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. If you're attempting to install libey library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Vgrl library documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Vgrl library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.